In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana with ease. Managing projects efficiently is crucial, especially when you have numerous projects running concurrently. At times, you might find yourself needing to tidy up your workspace, and this often involves getting rid of projects that are no longer needed. So, let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to delete a project in Asana. To begin with, you'll want to open the Asana project that you intend to delete. It's important to double-check that you're in the correct project space, as you don't want to accidentally remove an active or crucial project. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, take a moment to ensure that all necessary information and data within the project have been appropriately archived or backed up, particularly if there might be any chance you'll need to refer to it later on. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of your project interface. Here, you should see the project title prominently displayed. Adjacent to this title is a small caret icon. This icon is quite subtle, so you might need to hover over it or look closely to spot it. Go ahead and click on this caret icon. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find a range of options related to your project settings and actions. To move forward, carefully select the option that reads Delete Project. At this point, it's advisable to pause momentarily to ensure this is the desired action you want to take, as this deletion is permanent and may not be reversible. That's all. The project will now be removed from your Asana interface. It's a simple process, but precision is key to ensure that only the unwanted project is deleted. Now, if you ever need to reference project data in the future, remember to have a backup or archive system in place. This can save you potential headaches down the road. Hopefully, this guide has clearly laid out the steps needed to delete a project in Asana, and you feel more confident managing your workspace as a result. For those with larger teams or who regularly handle numerous projects, maintaining an organized and up-to-date project list can greatly enhance productivity and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today. Keep your Asana workspace clean and streamlined, and, as always, happy project managing.